Right. So what you see here is SEMrush saying impressive results. And that is for an solely AI based website, right? The results you see here and the results that SEMrush commented on, and I'll go over this post and who this is and what they did at the end of the video, right? Because they detail exactly how they did it. But SEMrush was commenting on the results you see here, right? Again, all this is AI generated content. So the growth you see here, right? Almost 18,000 clicks, almost 600,000 impressions, growth from essentially zero to almost 1,000 users every single month, right? More essentially 0 to over or almost 6,000 organic keyword rankings. Again, this was all achieved with AI content. And on top of that, they went from 0 to over 10K a month with this site, again, by leveraging an AI that generated and published content for them. Now, I want to go over exactly how they did it, but I do first want to show you how the content looks like. So if I go here to this software, open this up, and then click view, this is the type of articles that these guys use to achieve these results. Not in this niche, this is the gardening niche, but if I skim through these ones, all the things you see here, the images, right, all this, I'm going to go over to the first one. All this is AI generated. We have the interactive table of contents. We have let me show you here, the content itself, right? Key takeaways here, in-article images, in-article links, also in-article videos right here that are relevant to the section they're included in, and also the article itself. I can skim through all this, right? There's links, there's images, there's a lot of things here. There's an FAQ section down here. Again, I can skim through all these articles, right? All this, again, is AI generated. The videos, not the videos aren't AI generated, but they were published here and posted here automatically with AI as well as the images. All this, I can just skim again through these and click publish, go publish to my site, go publish to my site one by one, or I can just click here, publish all to integration, and all 6 will be published to my integration. Now, by the way, quick thing, integrations can be anything you want. So I go here to integrations. I can set up integrations with WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, even Zapier, or if you want an external API, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let me go over exactly what they did and how they did it. I mean, the how, essentially they went to tryjournalist.com, went here to the advanced mode, set all of this up, right? I mean, let's go here real quick. Do they want articles with videos? Yes. Do they want articles with images? Yes. In-article images, featured images. What type of images do they want? Stock photos, Google Access photos, custom images, or AI? They choose AI images. I mean, you can even customize them, make them look hyper-realistic if you like. Then, do we want external linking? So, do we want the articles, right, to have links in them, right, linking out to other sources, other authoritative sources? Yes, they do. So just enable this. Bam, that's done. Internal linking. Do we want the articles to link out? So every blog post you generate is going to have links, right? Do you want these to link out to your site's homepage? Do you want this to link out to other blog posts of yours? Maybe link out to your contacts page, your services page. Yes, we do want that. Just add in here your sitemap. Done. Structure. You want to add a call to action to the bottom of the article? Yes. If so, again, just paste in here your site. Again, at the bottom of the article, right, there's going to be a section dedicated to the call to action. So if this is an article about gardening, there's going to link out to your Shopify store that sells gardening supplies. If it's an article about plumbing, it's going to link out to your the contacts page on our plumbing website. So all this, nothing is random. All this makes sense. We can enable and disable all these sections right here, key takeaways, conclusion, FAQs. You can automate your headings if you like, or just do them manually if you want. You can select the article length as well. Then knowledge right here. You can connect this to the internet, so it produces up-to-date information, right? Up-to-date content, which is pretty cool. You can even connect your brand, right? If you go here to brands, so the content produced isn't like AI generic. It's properly brand-tailored content with your own brand's images, brand's tone of voice, brand's mannerisms. Pretty cool. Then content here is where you select the language, which they chose English, right? Because they were targeting English market, but you can select from over 150 different languages. Pretty cool. You can select the creativity levels, right? You can go a bit more original or creative, or a bit more correct or factual. This will depend on your niche. You can change the tone of voice, funny, informal, academic, neutral. I mean, you can play around with this and even change the point of view. I think they used first person singular, and that's that. Finally, here the first one is just select the generation mode. You want to generate the content based on the description. You want to generate the content based on titles or keywords. I think they did select the description right here. So that's that. Set it up. I'm going to load one preset right here. I have one for a dog grooming site. Load it up, select how many articles I want to generate. I just do 300, then click generate. Now, I can do this manually, or I can automate it. So to automate it, because if I were to do this manually, I just go here to my history tab. Now I have to go here and click them and post them all manually, which kind of takes a lot of time. So if I want to set this up automatically, I just go here to autoblogs, click here, right? New autoblog, like so. Select how many articles I want to post, right? Every month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. Select my preset, right? Let's just do this one. Select my integration, where do I want to post the content to, enable this, and click create new autoblog. So now you're connecting this AI right here with your site, right? And every day, 10 articles, right, are going to be posted to your site, right? And if we expand on these articles right here, right? These articles all are going to have a featured image, a table of contents, right? Proper content structuring, in-article images, in-article videos, bullets, tables, quotes, internal links, external links, calls to action, all this done automatically for you. These, of course, are going to interlink between each other in a way that makes sense. Nothing is random. And that's exactly how they did it, right? Now, what did they do, right? Sorry about that. That's the video I was playing for the article that I just showed you before. How did they do it, right? I have a whole section right here detailing exactly how they did it, right? Step by step, because you can essentially do the same. But first, I do want to show you the post, and I'll link this down below if I remember. I do want to show you that this isn't fake. If we just hit refresh right here, this is a post from this guy right here, and yeah, essentially SEMrush commented down here. There you go, impressive results. So it's pretty cool, right? It does work, and people in the industry are acknowledging it, right? Because the truth is that AI content works, right? And we're living in an AI-based world. And the reality is that if you don't leverage AI tools, you're going to get left behind. So I like to give this analogy often. If we think about this success as a ladder, right? Let's call this success money. Previously, to produce content, you had to do the keyword research manually. Then you're going to have to write the content itself. Then you're going to have to source images, source videos, and add them to the article. Then you're going to have to read the article and find the best place to add internal links, external links, right? All this takes so much time. With this little tool, Journalist AI, it does everything automatically for you. So you keep ahead of the line, right? It even does the keyword research and indexes the content for you automatically. So if I go here, right, I can set up my auto blog, right, to be generating and producing content and posting content, to my blog. But also I can just set up an indexer right here, new indexer. I can connect my Google Search Console to it, and Journalist AI, connecting to my site, is going to do the content generation, that's the G. It's going to do the content publishing and content indexing. And on top of that, it also does keyword research. If I go here to keyword monitors down here, just add my site and just show you this one. Add my site right here. Give it a name, give it the URL, give it the country and language. It's going to spit out, based on all this info plus competitors, a bunch of keywords, right, that have low SEO difficulty, so that they're easy to rank for in theory, and also some decent search volume. So I can just select the ones I want and have my auto blog right here produce content based on those keywords, right? So Journalist AI does keyword research, content generation, content publishing, and indexing, right? And that's exactly how they're able to skip ahead of the line, right? Because they're automating 90% of the process, right? Of course, yeah, you need to do also off-page SEO, technical SEO, on-page SEO, sorry. But things that used to take weeks now takes just simple minutes, right? And this analogy is perfect for that, right? Now, how they did it, I have a video solely on this, but I won't go over all this right now because I'll link it in the description, like the video where I go over all this, because I think it's important that you watch it. But first thing you need to know is that AI blog posts alone aren't enough, right? You need to nail down technical SEO, on-page SEO. You need to know exactly what keywords to target, that is buyer intent or what they call money keywords, and you need to nail off-page SEO, which is link building, right? These are simple to understand, right? Simple concepts to understand, but not easy to implement, right? So let's start. I'll leave a link for this video in the description because I do want you to take a look at it because I do think it's super, super important, right? But yeah, this is pretty cool. I just wanted to record a short video going over that, the fact that SEMrush did comment and did think that these were impressive results. And I do think they're impressive results, right? Look at this, right? These are no short than impressive, right? Started in October, almost 3,000 users in targeted traffic a month, and almost 6,000 buyer intent keywords. It's pretty cool, pretty crazy results. Again, all achieved with setting up an auto blog using this little software called Journalist AI. If you just go to tryjournalist.com, I'll leave a link for it in the description, also in the pinned comment down below. Give it a go, try it out. It's free for 3 articles, I think. Try it out, let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.